Hello and welcome to all the students. Most of the students are requesting for recorded videos. So I have decided to record the videos and send it to WhatsApp group. This is again introductory lecture. In this we are going to discuss the tissues or tissue system. So let us see what are the tissues or tissue system. A tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells performing a same or similar set of functions and having common origin. uh, as we know, tissues are formed from cells. Cells together forms a tissue. Tissue forms tissue system, and then organ and organ system. In plants, leaf, stem, roots, all these are the organs, and together they form organ system. In plants, there are two types of tissues: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So, the living cells which are in continuous state of division together forms meristematic tissue, whereas the group of cells that have temporarily or permanently lost the capacity of cell division is called as permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are again further divided into different tissues on the basis of their functions and location. Now let us see the how these tissues are look like in plants. In upper diagram you can see meristematic tissue. All these are actively dividing cells, and all these cells are at different stages of development. Some of the cells are at metaphase, some of the cells are at telophase, anaphase. So all these are dividing cells and are at the different stages of development. So the meristematic tissues are present at the growing point. For example, shoot apical meristem and root apical meristem. So this diagram is of root apical meristem of onion root tip, and here you can see different types of dividing cells. In lower diagram you can see permanent tissue. In this diagram, transverse section of dicot root is shown, and you can see vascular bundles are arranged in ring. These vascular bundles are made up of xylem and phloem. As you know, the function of xylem and phloem is transportation or conduction of water and food. So all these are permanent tissues, and these tissues have lost their capacity of division. So these are the two types of tissues, that is meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So let us see the tissue system and their functions. First is dermal tissue system, and the function of dermal tissue system is protection and prevention of water loss. Where this dermal tissue system is present, upper and lower epidermis of leaf, and periderm in the older stems and roots. Ground tissue system, the function of ground tissue system is photosynthesis, food storage, regeneration, support, protection. So in ground tissue system it includes parenchyma tissue, parenchyma tissue and sclerenchyma tissue. And the last part is vascular tissue system. As the vascular tissue system, function of vascular tissue system is transport of water and minerals and transport of foods, and this includes, means the component of these vascular tissue systems are xylem tissue and phloem tissue. So all these types of tissues are we are going to discuss them in later on in the detail. This is again another slide showing morphological and anatomical features of plant. In the left side you can see the mustard plant, dicotyledonous plant, and it shows root, stem and leaves, morphological features of root, stem and leaves. And in the right side, from up to the down, leaf, stem and root are seen in the transverse section. So in the leaf you can see different tissues arranged in different manner: upper and lower epidermis, then mesophyll tissue, spongy parenchyma and centrally located midrib portion. Whereas in stem, as it is dicot stem, you can see epidermis, cortical portion, vascular bundles which are arranged in ring and centrally located pith portion. And in the root you can see the epidermis, cortical portion and centrally located vascular region having radially arranged vascular bundles. So in the tissue system, tissues are arranged in different manner in different organ. There may be parenchymatous tissue, cholenchymatous, sclerenchymatous, as well as complex xylem and phloem tissues which are arranged in different manner in different tissue system. So overall what we have studied till now is types of tissues, plant tissues. Basically there are two types of plant tissues: meristematic tissues and permanent tissues, which again further divided on the basis of origin and development, location, function. Whereas permanent tissues are further divided into simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are parenchyma, cholenchyma, sclerenchyma, and complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. So all these features, all these tissues which we are going to study in detail in the later slides. Thanks for now. We will again meet in the next lecture with new topic.